Thank you for coming by. We're getting ready to start.
Most of us, we hardly go to cinemas.
There's no cinema around here.
I think it's important showing the African movies.
So that people out there can know who we are as Africans.
In the past, we had very few African-made movies. So these African-made movies, they define us. They portray what we are, what we believe in as Africans.
I chose to become Sunbox Ambassador because I see many people, young people especially in my community, getting involved in wrong things like drugs, crime. So with this Sunbox, we will be able to educate people.
I wanted to be part of real change in community. I think visual things have an impact in people's minds.
Within my society, there have been challenges where people have been actually failing to have conversations within a community openly. Some of the films, it teaches people about activism and them having right to speak out.
I do what I do because carrying these films back to the communities, I know that I am bringing them hope.